doing good. Tell the homies I'm in heaven, they ain't got hoods. Seen a show of Marvin last night, it had me shook. Drinking peppermint schnapps with Jackie Wilson and Sam Cooke. Then some lady named Billie Holiday sang a tune. Sitting there kicking it with Malcolm until the day came soon. Little Latasha, she's so grown, shining on her own. Tell the lady in the liquor store she's forgiven. Come home, maybe in time you'll understand. Only God can save us, he's got a plan. When Miles Davis cutting loose with the band, think of all the people you knew in the past. They passed on, but they found peace at last. Picture a place where they exist together. There has to be a place better than this forever. So right before I sleep, I close my eyes and pray. Dear God, what I'm asking, remember my face someday. Save me a place in Thug's Mansion. Save me a place in Thug's Mansion. If you want, I can help you write a new original song in the same style, or even help you translate this fully into Kasi as a song. Just say the word.